summer is coming and outdoor games are all the rage again. And we have one new game template that you can use. It's called Scavenger Hunt. You can find out what the Scavenger Hunt does exactly in another video, but in this video I'm just going to show you how you can prepare your own Scavenger Hunt and use this template to run your game. So first of all, go to your Loquiz account, log in, and this is under free templates. You should see Scavenger Hunt somewhere. So we call it virtual Scavenger Hunt, but it's actually in the real life, so it's in the real world. You go out, you click on the template, and as it is free, you can create the game instantly on this. A little bit of explanation. So it has 26 tasks, and 15 of them are kind of the scavenger hunt part of that. So what does it mean is that you need to go out, and actually you have a list of things that you need to find, but instead of finding the things and bringing them back to the headquarters, you need to scan them with our object finders. And then there is roughly 10 tasks that are puzzle tasks and some creativity tasks. So these are the ones that actually give you the points, and then you can determine who was the best by calculating the points together. The most important thing for you is probably that they are in English. And if you want to translate the tasks, then the best way to do it is that you open the task here, you change the task text, you go to the additional settings and you change the language as well, and then you save it as a copy. And when you save it as a copy like that, then the task is instantly saved into the game. So the English task is taken out and your new task is put in. Why it's important to do it like that is that then you preserve all the important information about the task, because the tasks are set up in a specific way. They have the points, some of them have the timer, so you don't want just to take the tasks out and put new ones in, but rather go here and change something if needed. So other than that, it's very simple. If you don't need to translate, if you are okay running English game, you're just good to go, nothing to do here. Let's look at the rules as well. First of all, what you want to know is that you don't need to bother with a map. So this is not location specific game. Even though people, to find the objects, like maybe a dog, maybe a bicycle, some stuff, they need to go outside and they need to walk and move around. But you don't need to move the game from one location to another, because it works anywhere. The only thing that the game has is one screen, and the screen is kind of the button screen. So from here you choose what objects are you going to scan. And the rules are pretty simple as well. It just tells that, show these object finder tasks on a playground. And then if you find some certain objects, then some certain puzzles will launch for the player. So you don't need to change anything here. Now in the configuration screen, there are a couple of things you might want to change. So first of all, you probably want to give it a name. And then the intro message. We have a very kind of brief information on how the game should be played, but you might want to change it, translate it, or add something to it, maybe even your phone. And the last but not least, we have set the duration of the game for 30 minutes, but here you can change it as well. Not much more you need to do, just save the game, and you are good to go. You have a QR code and you have a username and password for the players who can then use these to start the game. One important notice is this, that even though we are kind of counting the points, then in this game a lot of photos are made. So it produces a lot of very special kind of photos that can launch stories and can be also displayed. And that's about it. Thanks.